Preparing for the ICC Property Maintenance and Housing Inspector exam? This guide will show you how to pass. First, let's cover the exam basics. You'll face 50 multiple-choice questions in a 2-hour window. That's about 2.5 minutes per question. It's an open book test, but you can only bring in the official IPMC, IRC, and legal aspects of code administration books. The passing standard is a scaled score of 75, which is not a simple percentage. To be safe, you should aim for at least 80% accuracy on your practice tests to build in a comfortable margin. The exam is broken down into 7 content areas, but they are not weighted equally. Property conditions is the biggest section at 26%, followed by administration and legal at 22%. Together, these 2 topics make up nearly half of your entire exam. The other areas are light, ventilation, and occupancy, fire and life safety, plumbing, electrical, and mechanical. Knowing these weights is critical because it tells you exactly where to focus your study time for the biggest impact on your score. So what does a property maintenance inspector actually do? This isn't about new construction. Your job is to enforce minimum safety and sanitation standards in existing buildings. You'll respond to tenant complaints, conduct rental inspections, and issue notices of violation based on the IPMC. You'll document everything from unsafe wiring to pest infestations, and sometimes testify in housing court. It's a role that requires you to be precise, patient, and persuasive, acting as the bridge between the written code and people's homes. Success on this open book exam is less about memorization and more about speed. It's a test of how quickly you can navigate your code books to find the right answer. This is why tabbing your books is the single most important strategy. You can use pre-printed tabs or make your own. Highlighting key sections and adding handwritten notes in the margins is also allowed and highly encouraged. But remember, the rules are strict. No loose-leaf paper or photocopied books are permitted in the testing center. Let's revisit the 2 most important topics. Administration and legal, which is 22% of the exam, covers the duties of a code official, the appeals process, violations, and stop work orders. You'll need both the IPMC and the legal aspects book for this. The largest topic, property conditions at 26%, covers everything from exterior property areas and structural integrity to pest elimination and rubbish. Most failing candidates don't spend enough time on these dense, legally focused chapters. Don't make that mistake. The article provides a detailed 8-week study plan that breaks this down into manageable steps. You'll start by tabbing your books and learning the definitions. Then, you'll tackle the content areas week by week, starting with the most heavily weighted ones. Each week involves reading specific chapters and drilling practice questions to build your code navigation speed. The final weeks are dedicated to taking full-length, timed practice exams to simulate the real test environment and ensure you're ready on exam day. You now have the framework for passing the ICC Property Maintenance and Housing Inspector exam. The full guide on our website breaks down every detail, including specific code sections to study, a list of recommended resources, and career information. Most importantly, you can start practicing right now with our free interactive practice questions. Click the link to read the full guide and start your journey to certification today.